Hey guys, Zach here with Savage Traveling. It's Christmas Day here in Bangkok and I'm just taking a walk. I was down at the mall for a few hours eating, I'm making video and whatnot, and I was gonna catch a grab taxi back to the spot and I decided I'll walk. It's like a 44-minute walk, so we'll see how far I decide to go before I hop on a motorbike. But for the time being, I was just gonna walk and talk a little bit. It's not very exciting here where I'm at now, but maybe in a few minutes there'll be more to look at. But I mean, this is pleasant nonetheless. Just hang out with me here and we'll see something cool in a minute, and I'll pop back in and show you what's up. A lot of construction going on here, not as much as Vietnam by any means. Like, I don't know what they're doing in Vietnam right now, but a total rebuild of the country, it seemed like. I mean, here, this place never stops, but I know there's a couple big buildings like this being built. I know I saw one the other night. All Bangkok traffic. I don't know. The only thing that probably rivals it is, well, in Southeast Asia, say probably Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City is a totally different beast than this, so I can't even describe it. But so I would use these guys more, but most of them don't speak English. So I don't know how to tell them where I'm gonna go. I don't know. I just use Grab Taxi. And it usually works really well. And it's the prices, you know, agreed upon before the trip. Hey, here's that I saw the other night they were working on. Yeah, I walked by here. No, I don't really suggest doing this. I mean, I do it just to save a buck or two here and there when I'm bored, because the exhaust can really get to you if you're sensitive to that kind of thing, because especially these nasty mothers right here, they pump out black smoke like you wouldn't believe. I can't believe they still just ride around like they do. Height there. It's a temple of sorts over there. Woo. KFC is one of the most popular fast food joints over here, if you didn't know that. They're everywhere. I think there's two in the mall I was just in. DTAC building there. I don't know what that is. Yeah. It's a nice warm day in Bangkok, Christmas Day. Easily in the 90s, I don't know what. Well, that one's not chugging like they do. What about this one? Sometimes these guys put out a cloud of smoke. Nah, there's just some of the cleaner ones then maybe. Now you get to hide out in the shadow of the overpass here. This place is wild. I do enjoy walking around here though, I really, really do. I think this is about the coolest it gets, is about, you know, this time of year. And it's not cool out, so I don't think I'll ever be able to walk around Bangkok and not sweat, but that's okay. It's part of it. I got my New Year's figured out, but that's gonna be a surprise, so I'll keep that secret to myself for now. Seriously though, Bangkok traffic, when you can walk faster than the traffic moves, you know it's just a regular day in Bangkok. What it is. Like that, my motorbike taxi ride earlier, we zipped right down to the mall in like 6 minutes, and it was awesome. He was scared the crap out of me though. It was the first time I've actually, like I always hold on behind me to the little handle on the seat, just because that's common sense in my book. But this was the first time I ever needed to. You know, I usually just do it. But this time I had to hold on for dear life, or he'd have thrown me off once or twice. Because like this bike was really cool. I hadn't seen one like this over here. And I don't know what it was or anything, but it'd about throw me off the back every time he'd fucking gun it. So it was cool. We made it there. I tipped him. It's because like he made me thankful when I was off. So. We are going to get out of here. We'll run right out in front of them. I'm not saying they'll stop every time, but they might. Lottery. Never done that before. I don't even know if they'd let me buy one. I don't know how it works or anything about it, so. I don't even play the lottery at home, so I don't know why I do it here. I don't know what this guy is doing. Doing some phone stuff. Maybe. Sanctioned or not, I couldn't tell you. Uh-oh. I'm running out of sidewalk, guys. It's gonna get skinny up here. It's getting skinny, guys. I'll be alright. Yeah, we got kind of a monitor here. Out there hunting for some food, I'd say. Thought it was a gator for a second, but no. life of Bangkok, guys. So you never know what you're gonna see. So long, fella. Hell yeah, that was cool. Oh, there's another one. Some monitor, I guess. I really don't know. It's not a Komodo dragon, I know that much. Hell yeah, cool. That was unexpected. I dig stuff like that. Italian embassy. Looks like some, I don't know what they're advertising up there. Maybe some yogurt or I have no clue actually. Oh, this is the Lumpini Park. Okay, Lumpini, I don't know how you say it. I was down here yesterday shooting video in the park. Okay, cool. I gotta go over there though, I do know that. A little bit of street food outside Life Center here. Ooh. How much? Oh, thank you. I'm not paying over 30 for a coconut. 30, 35 is like the max you should pay for a coconut, seriously. Like they don't do anything. They chop it open and put a friggin' straw in it, okay? Like down at the MBK Center, they're wanting like 60 baht for one. That's $2 in American money. Like hell no. I mean, I might be Whitey Farang, but I ain't an idiot. That's here what we call teamwork, guys. Like, how else you gonna get it done? That's a sweet. It's okay, chub. Mine would be so freaking pimped out, you would have no idea. Heading off towards my neighborhood now. A little busy back here. Pretty neat back here. Like I said, if you watched one of my earlier videos, a lot of farang in the neighborhood. Which I said, it's okay, I guess. That parrot just squawked at them dudes over there. Now it's like the first massage parlor where I've seen it's just all dudes hanging outside. I didn't inquire, but that parrot was cool. Here's my local 7-Eleven, guys. This road is dangerous. Like literally dangerous. Yeah, there's not much room here. Batteries died on me. I don't know where I left off at, but lots of massages, breakfasts. There's a lot of places to eat down here. Gosh, I gotta learn to speak one of these days. Actually, I had breakfast here, like an omelet and some ham, and it was great. It was like $3. But this is my little alley. My Airbnb is up here. Pretty cool spot. Probably one of the nicer places I've ever stayed in. Well, first Airbnb I've ever stayed in, so whatever. Okay, well that was my walk from downtown to my spot here in this little neighborhood. I don't know what its name is, so appreciate you guys coming along with me, and be sure to like and subscribe if you would please, because I'd appreciate it bigly. Peace.